Hi everybody, I have an old laptop and wanted to connect it to my big screen TV that has an HDMI port, but this laptop has the VGA and S-video ports. So I went online and by mistake bought this adapter. This one is the HDMI to VGA adapter, so it's not gonna work for me with this laptop. So this one is intended to be this side to be plugged into the laptop, and that side you plug your VGA cable here, and then you plug it into your monitor. So I went online again and actually have found a couple of people that ran into the same problem as I did, and I found this VGA to HDMI adapter. So this part, you plug it into your laptop, then here you insert the HDMI cable, and there are also these two cables that the USB is one for power and this one is the audio jack. So it's gonna look like this. Seems like lots of wires, but it works. So good luck everybody, and don't make a mistake that I did. Cheers.